In our last video, we discussed one of the biggest dilemmas in the IT industry, choosing between IT certifications and or a degree. Today, I'm excited to reveal the solution I personally use at a university that offers degrees that include industry certifications. This university is called Western Governors University. But before we get into the details of WGU and this unique approach, you're probably wondering, who am I? And if you don't, why? Kidding aside, I'm JR, and I've been in the IT industry for over 6 years, gaining hands-on experience and knocking down certifications along the way. Currently, I'm a student at WGU, pursuing a degree in Cybersecurity and Information Assurance. Okay, before we dive in, let me tell you why you should stick around. I've created this video to share my journey and help you find the best path forward in your IT career. Whether you're new to IT or looking to enhance your career, this video is for you. In fact, that's what this channel is all about, providing insights, mentorship, and guidance through the tech industry. And remember, these are my personal experience and opinions. I am not sponsored by WGU or anyone else. So, let's get started. WGU is a unique institution offering online education in business, technology, health and nursing, and education. They're accredited by multiple bodies, and each of their schools have their own accreditations. For the School of Technology, they've won several awards and accreditations, including the Center of Academic Excellence designation in cyber defense, making it a top university recommended by the government, which might help you if you apply for a government job. I have experience in this industry, so if you want to see a video covering the things we look for when hiring in government positions, let me know below. Now, WGU built a university that is geared for busy individuals who need to accomplish a degree in less time and at their own pace. They call this competency-based education. This means if you can demonstrate you have the skills in a subject, you can advance through courses once you prove that you have mastered the material. Let me give you an example. Let's say you are not like me and are a beast in algebra. Yes, algebra is my kryptonite. Well, if you can demonstrate you can know algebra by passing a pretest, you can schedule your final exam, pass it, and boom, pass the class. It's that simple. With WGU, you don't have to get beaten with the same material that you already know. Just demonstrate that you know it and on to the next one. Additionally, WGU is on the cheaper side compared to other universities. They charge you a flat fee based on a 6-month term. These fees varies depending on the program and degree, but there are some serious savings with them. Now let's talk about the benefits of WGU specifically for IT degrees. The WGU School of Technology offers bachelor's degree, master's degrees, and recently launched certificate programs. Now, while I'm not personally familiar with the certificate programs since they were launched in 2023, they seem to be as a bootcamp course, currently covering topics in coding. For the most accurate and updated information, I recommend checking out the WGU website. Okay, back to the other programs. WGU offers multiple degrees in various IT domains, such as computer science, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. One of the best perks, particularly in IT, is that they include industry certifications from organizations like CompTIA, Axelos, ISC2 or IC Square, I don't know how they call themselves these days, and companies like AWS and Microsoft. Well, how does it work and what does it mean? As I mentioned earlier, WGU approach is the competency-based education. If you pass the certification, you pass the class. This is huge because, for example, if you're taking a cloud computing class that covers the same material as an AWS or Microsoft certification, you might as well get the certification, get the credit, and move on, saving money and time. With this approach, once you complete your degree, you'll be more equipped to start or advance your IT career, potentially landing a high-paying job in the industry. Additionally, I mentioned earlier how WGU saves you money with their flat fee system. Well, certs are included in that system at no additional cost to you. You get 2 attempts per certification included in the tuition cost. Now let's move on to my personal experience with WGU. But before we go there, I have a question for you. Where are you currently in your career? Are you starting or looking to advance in it? Let me know in the comments below. I started at WGU a few years ago, already A+ certified and working as an IT team lead. Some of my industry peers were attending WGU and completing their degrees quickly, both bachelor's and master's. They told me about WGU and how it allowed them to earn certifications and a degree simultaneously. After doing my research and learning about the competency-based education approach, it was a no-brainer for me. I had to enroll. Now, a few years later, I can honestly say it was one of the best decisions I've made. I took a slow and steady approach due to my busy life, but if you have more time, you could potentially knock out a degree in as little as 6 months. Yes, you heard me right, 6 months. During my time at WGU, I've completed 6 IT certifications. The most recent one is CompTIA CySA+, which I made a video about it recently and how I pass it. Currently, I'm working on completing the Pen Test Plus certification, and I am on the verge of graduating. I plan to continue on to the master's programs either this fall or at the beginning of next year to further enhance my resume. Now, should you choose WGU? Well, it all depends on your situation. Are you busy with life and don't have much time? Are you already working in IT and looking for a way to climb the industry ladder but need more certs or a degree? If so, WGU is for you. Do you want to get more certs and save money? Yes, WGU is probably for you. Looking for a university that is credible and fully online? Definitely, WGU is for you. But if WGU is so great, why isn't everybody enrolling in it? Well, nothing is perfect, and WGU does have some aspects that might not be attractive to everyone. Since this video is an overview of WGU and its unique approach to including certs with the degrees, I won't dive into the negatives right now, but if you want to hear more about the downsides, let me know in the comments below. And before you head out, yes, I do recommend WGU if you haven't noticed. Thank you for watching. JR out.